Good evening, good morning na pala. Good morning guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kings Dilo Aragon Vlog. Please subscribe, like and share. We are here now in building area. We lifting precast here. This one all precast. See, our co-workers there in outside the manlift. Still not finished. It's already 3:20 in the morning, 3:20 a.m. in the morning. See? OFW po ay ng OFW. Grabe ang pawis. Ang humidity ngayon guys is 82. Grabe ang init. Sobrang init ngayon. Kaya sobra yung humid. Hindi siya mainit kasi gabi. Pero ano, yung simoy ng hangin, grabe init. Down! Okay guys,